everyone of us. I am Jack Salinas, and I am the reporter. Our problem for today is find the eighth term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 11, 17, and 23. But before we solve that, let us identify first our variables and the given. Our variables are the a sub 1, the nth term, and our common difference. Our a sub 1 is 5, and our nth term is 8, meaning we are going to find the a sub 8 of our arithmetic sequence. And our common difference is 6. The formula we are going to use is an equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied to common difference. And our an is 8, and our a sub 1 is 5. Our n is 8, and our common difference is 6. The first thing that we are going to do is subtract the 8 with 1. So the answer that we got is 7, and multiply that to 6, which is our common difference. The total is 42 plus, and add that to our a sub 1 equals to 47. That completes our arithmetic sequence, which is 5, 11, 17, 23, 35, 41, and lastly 47. Thank you. That is